Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to remove Windows 11 login password and automatically sign into your computer without seeing the login screen every time you start your PC. Let's get started. If you have been trying to disable the Windows 11 login screen but can't find the option, you are not alone. On Windows 11 devices, Microsoft hides the automatic sign-in option by default. The good news is that you can bring it back in just a few simple steps. First, open the Start menu and search for Sign-in options. Open it. Scroll down to the Additional Settings section. Look for if you have been away when should Windows require you to sign in again. If the option is enabled, change it to Never. Now enter your password to confirm. Close the settings window. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If the user account control window appears, click Yes. Now copy the command from the video description. Go back to Command Prompt. Right-click inside the window to paste the command. Then press Enter. If everything works correctly, you will see the message the operation completed successfully. Now open the Start menu and search for Netplwiz. Open it. The user accounts window will appear. This time, you will see the option that says user must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck that box. Then click Apply. Windows will ask you to confirm your account password. Enter your current Windows password. Type it again to confirm it. Then click OK. Click OK one more time to save the changes. Now restart your computer. When Windows boots up again, it should sign in automatically without asking for your password or showing the login screen. If the option still doesn't appear in Netplwiz, make sure you restarted your computer after running the command. Then try opening Netplwiz again. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to disable Windows 11 login password and enable automatic signing. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.